talk to you about the Kuisiware 2-in-1 salt and pepper grinder. As you can see, I already filled up 1/2 with sea salt. And all you have to do is put the top back on and twist it to make sure it's fully closed. Also, the instructions give you a detailed description on how you should fill it up. You can't go wrong. I'm going to show you how to fill up the other side with black peppercorns. All you have to do is untwist the top, fill up the product of your choice, twist the top back on, and you're done. So now you have your salt and you have your pepper. The way for you to twist it is, and you just go, there you have it. The Kuisiware 2-in-1 salt and pepper grinder.